AI is growing faster than almost anyone expected. Billions of dollars are pouring in, new models are released every month, and companies are racing to build more and more powerful systems. But there's a hidden problem that could slow the entire boom down. The world might not actually have enough electricity to power the AI revolution. Welcome back to Tiscop, your weekly breakdown of the biggest stories in AI, business, technology, and crypto. Let's dive in.
Enterprise adoption of AI is accelerating at an impressive pace. According to recent industry reports, over 65% of Fortune 500 companies have already integrated generative AI tools into their workflows in 2026. Companies are using AI not only for simple tasks, but for complex operations, code generation, legal document analysis, financial forecasting, and customer support automation. For example, McKinsey estimates that AI could add up to $4.4 trillion in annual value to the global economy, with the biggest gains coming from increased productivity in white-collar jobs. Platforms like Claude from Anthropic and ChatGPT from OpenAI have become essential business tools. What started as an experiment is now turning into real competitive advantage. AI is evolving from a helpful assistant into core business infrastructure.
On the hardware and infrastructure side, the competition has reached a new level. Intel has officially joined the Terafab project, a massive initiative that aims to produce up to 1 terawatt of AI compute power per year. This project involves heavy vertical integration between chip design, manufacturing, and large-scale deployment. Companies like NVIDIA, Intel, and TSMC are now at the center of the global AI race. NVIDIA alone is expected to ship over 2 million H100 and H200 GPUs in 2026, while the total demand for AI accelerators is projected to exceed 5 million units annually. For the first time, leading AI companies are not only developing better models, they are actively investing billions into building the physical compute infrastructure needed to run them at scale. This vertical integration could become one of the deciding factors in who dominates the AI industry in the coming years. However, there's a growing reality check that many analysts are highlighting. Nearly 50% of all AI data centers planned for 2026 in the United States are facing significant delays or cancellations. The primary reasons are severe shortages of power transformers, switchgear, and grid capacity. Some estimates suggest that by 2030, AI data centers in the US alone could consume between 6 and 8% of total national electricity production, equivalent to the entire electricity consumption of countries like Sweden or Australia. Training a single large AI model today can already require as much electricity as several hundred households consume in a full year. Wait, here's something surprising. The biggest challenge for AI right now may not be building better models. It may actually be having enough reliable electricity and power infrastructure to run them. Energy availability and cost are quickly becoming one of the most critical bottlenecks for the entire AI industry. Let's finish with a quick look at the crypto market. Bitcoin continues to hold relatively steady around the $69,000 level and remains the main market driver with solid technical scores. Ethereum is showing good relative strength compared to most altcoins, supported by strong developer activity and ecosystem growth. Solana has been more volatile this week, dropping over 3% with weaker momentum indicators. XRP and BNB are currently trading mostly sideways, with lower technical scores and reduced volume compared to the leading assets. Short-term outlook. BTC and ETH currently look the most stable and resilient, while many altcoins may continue to consolidate until we see a clearer directional move from Bitcoin.
Important disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video should be considered financial or investment advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and you can lose money. Always do your own research. If you enjoyed this recap, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Do you think electricity will become the biggest limit for AI growth? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.